Howdy, everybody. Wildman Willie here, and thanks for watching. I want to invite you to donate to the Toronado Trofeo Restoration Fund. I've got about 3 months before the move, and I'm working hard to bring up this beautiful car so it can come with me and be in good shape. As y'all know, I've poured all kinds of money and effort into the vehicle. Most parts are inexpensive, a few dollars here and there. I can tackle that, I can handle that, and my labor is free. I can do the work on it and save a lot of money on most things on the car. Now we're down to a little bit of a pinch point. The boggle is the car needs 4 tires to hold air while it sits or street parks to avoid getting tickets and, to have it nice and drivable, okay? Also, it needs Oregon registration, which is not a cheap thing. Tag on the car for 2 years is going to be approximately $250. Tires on the car range from the cheapest being about $70 a piece, something more appropriate starting about $105, $110 each. So altogether, that wraps up into a pretty big pill. I don't expect everybody to handle everything, but any help you can offer me will sure take a load of stress off my shoulders and make it where I can enjoy the car and focus on the move I've got to make and some other things. And I've asked for donations for big things before, for big heavy needs. This really isn't one of those. This is, if you'd like to help me have a good time and be a part of a really cool car, let me know. All right, I'm going to show you some footage of the vehicle that I've taken and explain a little more. Behold, the 1990 Oldsmobile Toronado Trofeo, the ultimate expression of the personal luxury coupe. This beautiful specimen has 195,000 miles and is dripping in beautiful garnet red inside and out. Still have all 4 of the original hubcaps, and that paint is coming back strong. This got some wear on the paint. It's a true survivor. It's lived in Eugene, Oregon for 35 years. It is definitely time for tires. I've added some air, but if I leave it like this, they won't hold it long. And that tag's missing, and that's real important, and it ain't cheap out here in Oregon. But let's have a look at the inside. So cars of this era, this was designed to be a mix of sporty and comfort features with the emphasis on the comfort and technology. It's a wonderful place to spend time. That's as comfortable as a car seat ever got. You see that? It's a touchscreen from 1990. Folks, the interior's in really good shape, in my consideration. We got some tears on the driver's seat from all the love, but everything else is fully intact, comfortable, and ready to cruise. Let's have a look under the hood. The legendary 3800 Series 1 in all its glory. Possibly the best engineered engine ever produced. Here's proof it's still on the road. I've done quite a lot of work here, folks. It's had just about everything it looks like it's had up here. More on the way. We're going to do the ignition control module and coil pack this afternoon, in fact. So, it continues to come up. I'm making it as good as I possibly can. If you'd like to be part of bringing back this part of history and keeping it as a monument to Eugene, Oregon, let me know. Donate below. Let's have a good time and get this thing into cruising season.